Maya had worked at La Maison for nearly 5 years, taking orders, clearing plates, smiling through rude customers and impossible shifts. She wasn't just a waitress, she was the heart of the restaurant. Her regulars loved her. Her colleagues leaned on her. But the manager, Vincent, saw her as disposable. One Friday night, the restaurant buzzed with customers. Maya rushed from table to table, juggling 5 orders in her head. Suddenly, she tripped. A slick patch of oil on the kitchen floor sent her crashing down, plates and all. Laughter erupted from the kitchen. Vincent stormed out, red-faced. "You embarrassed us in front of the guests," he hissed. "I slipped. There's oil on the floor." "Excuses," he barked. "You're done here." And just like that, in front of her coworkers, in front of a room full of diners, she was fired. No apologies. No second chances. Maya walked out, cheeks burning, holding back tears. She didn't even get her final paycheck. For weeks, she spiraled. No one would hire her. Vincent had warned them she was unreliable. Friends faded. Rent was overdue. But Maya wasn't the type to break. If no one would give her a chance, she'd make her own. She started small, selling baked goods from her tiny kitchen, delivering them door to door. Her chocolate chip cookies, a hit. Her lemon tarts, viral on Instagram. Every cent she made, she saved. A year passed. She took business classes online, studied restaurant management, learned the game Vincent played, and how to beat it. Her reputation grew, and soon, she was catering events, partnering with local cafes. She went from scraping by, to thriving. But her eyes were always on one prize, La Maison. The once proud restaurant was declining. The food, sloppy. The service, slower than ever. Online reviews tanked. Vincent had driven the place into the ground with his ego and arrogance. And one day, it hit the market. For sale. Cheap. Maya didn't hesitate. She walked into the bank with her business plan and walked out with the approval. The deal closed in a week. The keys, once snatched from her hands, now belonged to her. Reopening day was poetic. The old staff lined up, curious and hopeful. Some had been there when she was fired. Some had even laughed. But Maya didn't return the favor. She offered jobs based on skill, not revenge. Some didn't make the cut. Vincent, of course, wasn't even considered. Word had it he was bartending in a rundown dive, bitter and broke. The new La Maison was reborn under Maya's vision, vibrant, inclusive, delicious. Her customers returned. Her haters stayed silent. One evening, a familiar face walked in, Vincent. Disheveled. Slouched. He looked around, eyes wide, shocked by the transformation. He didn't recognize her at first, Maya in a tailored blazer, confidence radiating from her like heat. "Table for one?" she asked smoothly. He blinked. "Maya." She smiled. "Yes. Welcome to my restaurant." He looked as if the floor had disappeared beneath him. "I heard it got bought, but I never imagined." "I know," she said, cool and steady. "Neither did I, but life's funny that way." Vincent tried to apologize, fumbled over words. She listened, politely. "I was wrong," he muttered. "You were always good. Better than I realized." "I know," she replied, her voice calm and sharp. "But thank you for proving I didn't belong under someone else's thumb." She offered him a menu. "Enjoy your dinner." He nodded, humiliated, as she walked away,